Hello guys, so welcome to tonight's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time when they see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I must start with tonight's show. Okay, John Cross of the Mirror. So Baba Kole let us know what team they hear about Victor Gyökeres and Benjamin Sesko as Arsenal and Sporting Lisbon and RB Leipzig. Nobody know what's in the happen again. So Baba Kole talk say Arsenal for part of the things we talk. He say Arsenal don't really get any plan to sign two of them at the same time. That's Benjamin Sesko and Victor Gyökeres. Although Arsenal they at advanced talks with both people. Now, John Cross said Arsenal are actively pursuing deals for both Victor Gyökeres and Benjamin Sesko, while they do not plan to sign two strikers. Andrea Berta is keeping his options open and has held advanced discussions over both players. Oli Watkins is also on the radar. He said today, this Oli Watkins matter, many people going to mention am. Oli Watkins. In the morning, they mention and say Arsenal dey threaten Sporting Lisbon say we go come up for this race. Wetin be all this one now? We na follow us discuss normal because the narrative out there now is Sporting Lisbon no wan follow the agreement again. So more who come mind for the agreement. Many Arsenal fans have said it. Just go there and pay the money. Even the Sesko wey dey talk say okay maybe you wan go back to Sesko. Sesko is still expensive. Because the same agreement issue, even the Oli Watkins now, how much them think say Aston Villa will mention for Oli Watkins? Aston Villa will be telling you to pay that maybe like 60 million or 70 million. So what is the difference? What will be the difference? If you are thinking maybe Aston Villa will give you Oli Watkins on the platter of gold, you are lying. So at this point, I'm a bit frustrated. I don't go lie for you. I'm a bit frustrated because what are we doing? You can't win everything. Sometimes allow people to cheat you. Sometimes na the way me I dey see am, like I no just know at this point again because with all the moves, everything, make Andrea Berta no let us come and feel say maybe na Edu Gaspar raise to power 2 now we come carry here because he came here with a lot of antecedent, a lot of respect, a lot of history wey he don make. You get a lot of resume. So no one let us they get like call they lose. I no just know sha, but make dem make sure say dem fix this thing quickly. That momentum wey don dey our body say okay, we wan get this player, e don dey die small. Somebody was jokingly saying na so dem go do. Last they'll go buy one sheet packer, get one name wey he call. So they'll just go buy one sheet packer at the end of the day. E no go be even Oli Watkins or even this one. They'll just go buy one person wey we no even know, we no expect, we no fit do anything. We don't want that abeg. Make dem run this deal for us quickly. Now, in a twist, should I call this a twist? Or I don't know what I want to call myself because Fabrizio Romano can give a breaking news. Real Madrid have asked for information on Matthew Skelly based on say the guy never signed a new contract. So they reason now Marca they even put for this report and Fabrizio Romano self carry him. And although I don't really blame anybody, yet as long as Matthew Skelly never signed the contract, he still has 1 year left on his contract. Of poachers will come, people will eventually come. You get it's just like an anti-investor firewood and say Lizard should not come close. Who are you? They must come. You get so, but Matthew Skelly, why I know that boy will sign. You get it will take something grave to happen for Matthew Skelly to run away and say okay, I don't want to serve Arsenal. They go don't do a strong thing before you go reason that way. You dey play first 11 football. What's the different way you know they get? So why you no go sign? You get unless maybe na money matter. Because all those kinds of things now they no go tell us for the public domain. So now we go just assume, just project. Say maybe na money matter because Matthew Skelly cannot be crying for playing time. He's getting ample playing time. So now doing me at this time, but I'm just watch. I know say forget Real Madrid no get any say for this matter. Now away from that. So Pep Guardiola when we talk about this Club World Cup, Pep Guardiola make one funny statement from complaining that they are playing too much. Our can say, well, we will rest when we die. You get because now they play. I'm talking about the Club World Cup. So I don't know how many of now we watch today games. Now so it's Bayern do Auckland. That Auckland there, they be shit pack out. Even I call hear the story of their goalkeeper because Bayern now get 10-0. In fact, first half like 6-0. I think what I will say, I be that score hat trick. Then another person scored 2 goals. Okay, this is scored a trick. Muller scored 2 goals. Jamal Musiala scored 3 goals. Coleman 2 goals. Like, we won't finish them. Now we're going to hear say the goalkeeper of Auckland. Say the guy they work for one warehouse for one pharmaceutical company for New Zealand before the match. So the guy was like, okay, I had to do a combination of annual leave. He take permission from workplace. Say make him come play this match, make him play some kind of top clause, make him play against an idol, will be Manuel Noah, that's the goalkeeper of Bayern Munich. So despite the defeat, his dream came as he played against his idol. They even put picture where the guy they work for warehouse. So how when I hear the story, the first question we can come to my mind now, how they can't take qualify? You're not a professional footballer. You are playing, you are working in a warehouse. How they don't get any better, like for that whole Zealand, for that New Zealand as a whole, so they don't get any better footballer when they sign. That person they work like you don't really add up. I don't know how they take qualify first of all. I don't just know. I know England on yes, but how this one still qualify? I don't really know. But well, it is what it is. Now, like we already talked about this and say Arsenal a fresh twist, Arsenal re-examining their move. And that's why you hear this thing, you vex. This evening, I saw a lot of Gyökeres story. I saw a lot of Benjamin Sesko story. I purposely not even bring up. The reason I brought this John Cross on because John Cross don't confirm say they're not assigned 2 people. These 2, you get, because a lot of us on the thing say maybe I would see they won't do, but John Cross of the Mirror say Arsenal don't have that plan. Instead, Arsenal just discuss the 2 at the end of the day. They will still go for 1. You get. But why is it going late? My fear is make we no go let this thing backfire. Because everybody they praise and they report and say, okay, they put all the eggs in one basket, but don't let it backfire. Now there go bad, and Arsenal fans will turn on you. Me, I can't fans and say, this is not Edu Gaspar. Let's give him a try. Let's see what he can do. So at the end of the day, I just hope everywhere goes still. So my dear Arsenal lovers, let's bring you first message from one of our sponsors, Mike Ken Mega Resources Limited. So they deal on genuine BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Land Rover, Range Rover, Rolls-Royce, Mini Cooper, Jaguar spare parts and car accessories, and Castrol lubricants. Also, they sell wholesale and retail if you want either one. And their delivery cost is very, very affordable and they deliver nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, you can call them on 080-3613-5075 or 090-994-33390. And they're located at Suites A3 and A4 ground floor, MB Plaza, Agodo District, Gariki, Abuja, Nigeria. So if you're interested in any of the products, do give them a call. Now, away from that, so Chris Whitley come put out this story on Facebook. So he said the truth behind Arsenal striker search as talks continue over top targets. So now when you read the entirety of this particular report, you can come across this section where they say who could sign a new contract at Arsenal. So they talk about Thomas Partey. You can just say Thomas Partey deal they progress very, very well. So 1 year extension is already on the table. Say Thomas Partey has attracted interest. We all know that, yes. But sources suggest he's leaning towards remaining in Europe, no go Saudi Arabia, for at least another season. In part due to family considerations. Why just born due to family considerations. Now, you can talk about Leandro Trossard. Say that one future remain uncertain, with suggestions that the Belgian winger could allow his current deal to run down as he seeks a significant pay right. They don't give that one contract. That one say never really accept. Everybody define money. Yes. Now never help us win anything. Now define money. Now more money. Now be no problem. But no while I shall not blame anybody. Now, for Gyökeres, you can talk about Gyökeres and they give you own sides. Okay, well, Gyökeres, in the beginning, everybody expects saying will leave for that kind of 70 million euros, but it no work out. So now Arsenal are also in contact with RB Leipzig, Sesko, that one now. So talks have taken place with the players' representatives over personal terms, although no formal offer to the Bundesliga side has been made of yet. So now, as we talk all these things, tomorrow will be Monday. The transfer window reopens. So I want to believe, say, from tomorrow now, the market will become more and more active. Because I believe, say, maybe not because of, say, the window closed, so there was not really much business again. But now we say the window will open officially, like from tomorrow till September 1. Get. So we'll get more movements, we'll get more clarity, more discussions. Even more news, they talk, say, AC Milan director is in London. They discuss with Arsenal over Zinchenko and another player. So just watch from Monday now tomorrow. I want to hope that we'll get some good news. That everywhere will clear, we'll get clarity on many things. Now, in case you don't know, Thomas Partey don't win the Ghanaian Player of the Year. So Chris Whitley post am say 3 times now, 3 times Ghanaian Player of the Year for Thomas Partey. And Thomas Partey said create one academy wey bring some kind of Oyibo scouts. But they help and look for the next Thomas Partey for Ghana. But they help and bring out those stars. Because I saw him when they kick off the event, they there. The guy really invest money. Say stars they for Ghana. Say won't bring them out. I just I did happy for him making bring the next Thomas Partey, or not just Thomas Partey, the next great footballer from there. Now, away from that. All right, so congratulations to Ben White and they don't get new additions to their family. So the wife and the wife, they don't born baby. So their first child, by the way. So AFC stuff post time say our perfect boy, we love you so much. Millie White and Ben White. Small picture of the baby. Well, thank God for the wife. She had safe delivery, and God bless their family. Now, like I told you, AC Milan make inquiry for Zinchenko. Now they don't also make inquiry for Ricardo Calafiori. But as I tell you, say Calafiori na no go area. We just buy that one. Now why they ask us of say whether one seller. So we rebuff their advances. So AC Milan are now pursuing a move for Zinchenko, and although they're now calling Yamo Zinchenko, they earn say £200,000 per week plus wages are still a sticking point. They are ready to push to get the deal done. Yes. So now John Cross of the Mirror also made this news available. Many Arsenal fans put a life for you. They say me they sell this Calafiori because the guy always injury record. Like why AC Milan the reason I be say he understands how like the Serie A. He knows how to play there. So it will make sense for them to carry the guy go. And now you say Italy said they don't get new coach General Gattuso. So that be the new coach of Italian football. So maybe they invite Calafiori now because they slam the last coach. Say why not invite Calafiori and some other players, even Acerbi. Saying it looks like maybe Acerbi an old man. You know, invite Acerbi. That's why Italy they do anyhow, but they don't fire that much. So they don't find square roots. Now, Gabriel Magalhaes, can you explain why we scatter Man City the last time we beat them? Yeah, beat them like tomorrow no day. So can you explain saying that because of the antics of Erling Haaland, what him do Ateta, what him do the Arsenal like carry ball stone about head, all those kind of shenanigans. Say now what him make say the teammates like in the talk say Arsenal teammates they were out for blood. So what say Erling Haaland do? Say they're not happy gone because Man City's Erling Haaland left Arsenal players wanting blood last season after his antics during the 2-2 draw at the Etihad Stadium earlier in the campaign. The two sides were coming to a season where the third successful Premier League title battle was being anticipated between two clubs, although the Liverpool later winner they get. So they just talk down and no be lie because they played them that day. One finish there, you get. So more carry that same ginger enter this season because Man City still get like new Sheshe, they will just come new players. They know we don't acclimatize now, I guess. So this time when we meet them, we'll see how things go. Look at Liverpool. So Liverpool don't sell Trent Alexander-Arnold. They want to sell Robertson now. So that's why they want. In fact, Liverpool, their backline, their fullbacks, using a new players. They're maybe Frimpong and Kerkes. Then go just did there, but what do I know? We'll just see how everything will unfold at the end of the day. Now, this Jorel Hesio. Team talk on the talk say Arsenal are reportedly taking advantage of Chelsea's participation in the Club World Cup to try and overtake Chelsea in the race to sign this Ajax defender. So based on say Chelsea they play Club World Cup and Chelsea don't tell the players say if they finish they will come discuss a matter. So Arsenal can say okay, maybe they try to swear that they go fit convince the guy to join us. And how the year say Arsenal they plan to give the guy 6 years contract. So Arsenal are said to have held positive talks with the players' representatives over the last few days with discussions over a 6-year contract. I never see Arsenal give us in this kind of contract, but maybe at the beginning and the Bertha don't bring new style. You get one change things. All right, let's begin message for one of our sponsors, Mobile Wealth Associates and Co Limited. They are into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shore protection works. They are also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, you can call them on +234 8064642234, and they're located at number 7 Kenwood Road, Erazi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of the services, do give them a call. Now the biggest news of the night, some of the facts say John Cross of the Mirror can they confirm say Arsenal have no plans to sign Gyökeres and Sesko together. So hopefully as time goes on, tomorrow transfer window will reopen again till September 1. From tomorrow, we are going to be getting much more clarity. It's going to be a business day. We'll see how things go. So my dear lovers, I think it's a fine place for us to call the show and end till I come here with tomorrow morning to give you the morning news. Till then, thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your night. And a good night and let them out. Right, guys. Ciao.